Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to forecast revenue in Pipedrive. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Once you're on the dashboard, click Insights from the left sidebar. This is where you can create reports and analyze your sales performance. Next, click the Create button in the top left corner and select Report. This will open a new report where you can customize your revenue forecast. Now choose Revenue Forecast as the report type. Then select whether you want to forecast by deals or products. Choose deals if you want to estimate revenue based on the value of your sales opportunities. After that, apply the filters you need. You can filter by pipeline, sales stage, deal owner, team, or expected close date. Make sure your deals have accurate values and expected close dates because these fields are used to calculate the forecast. Next, choose how you want to display the data. A line chart is useful for viewing revenue trends over time, while a bar chart is better for comparing revenue between months or quarters. Then select Total Expected Revenue or Weighted Revenue if you want the forecast to consider each deal's probability of closing. Once you're happy with the report, click Save in the top right corner. Give your report a clear name so you can easily find it later or share it with your team. And that's it. So that's basically how you can forecast revenue in Pipedrive. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.